Hey guys, this is Matthew with Surface Pro Marketing. Today we're going to be going over the Elementor footer and what it means to build out a footer. So you should be fairly familiar by now with the WordPress dashboard and how to get into that. But what we want to do is we want to go to Elementor Theme Builder and we want to go into our footer and we want to click this little plus icon. What that's going to do is just like our header, it's going to end up giving us a couple of templates and a couple of things to look at in terms of headers. Now, I really don't want a huge footer or anything too crazy. But I mean, if you want something that's a little nicer, go ahead. But I'm going to be using something that's a little plainer just because it has our contact information, a site map, and some of our quick links here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert that into my website. And bang, now it's got all of our quick links, get in touch, all rates reserved. We're going to put our privacy policy in terms of service down there. But what can we say about summarizing our business? Oh, I don't know. We can probably say, we're going to start over here. Serving market for 20 plus years with all of their plumbing and HVAC. Get your quote today. All right. We're going to capitalize the word plumbing and we're going to end up deleting. I think we're going to delete that and just bring this on over. And we're going to add a couple of things. So you got some things to play around with here as well in terms of the Elementor Pro features. But you'll notice down here it's got all of our services, about us, contact us, blog, all of our quick links inside of here as well. Our social links are something that we want to do a little later on. But we want to choose maybe, I don't know what the heck. We'll make it nice and clean for that. Facebook, maybe we'll do YouTube. Yeah. All right, we want to go into style to stylize this. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to use that same font code that we had before that ends up fitting so nicely in with our branding. Site logo. I wonder if there's a Google Maps SVG. Yeah. And button checkbox, Google Maps. I just want to bring that over here. But of course it's not going to let me do that. All right. That's okay. We can just delete that. Keep it nice and clean, nice and tidy. All right, now I want to go down to this and basically I want to edit the entire container. So go ahead and click on edit container and basically want to do the same thing that we did before with our color dropper. And we want to style it towards that. And realistically, you guys, that is it. The footer is completely done. So now you got a nice looking header, a nice looking footer, and a website that's starting to come together. Everything in here is currently highlighting poorly, so we're going to end up changing that out as well. So we want to go into plumbing and HVAC text color. We want to change out the text color to that. And our hover. Active. What about our drop down? There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Drop down. It's not giving me. We want to keep the text color nice and white. But what do we want to do with the background color? I want to give it that look. Bingo. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. So now we've managed to create that as well. And we're going to go ahead and publish. Add a condition. Once again, the condition is going to be to the entire site. So that's built out. You guys are good to go. That is the Plumbing header and footer. So now we can view these live edits. that are built inside of here. And that looks really, really, really sharp. All right, in our next video, what we're going to be going over, you guys, is adding our blog posts and what it means to add blog posts. We're going to work a little bit backwards before we get into designing pages. The video after that is going to be designing our homepage, the plumbing medicine hat keyword page, so that you guys can get really excited about starting to develop the website here and creating that template that we're going to be using for all of the services, the HVAC, the About Us, Contact Us, blog page, so on and so forth. We're going to get a couple of things booked in there, but yeah, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell below if that's your thing, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.